Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the sketchbook tour, and I figured I would just share a couple things about this sketchbook and just the whole process of filling it up. So to start, this is a moleskine sketchbook. It's a sketchbook that's made for drawing, and you will see that I have oil paintings in here. And if you are new here, you might not know this, but people who watch my Sketchbook Sunday videos know that I prime my sketchbook pages with gesso before oil painting on it. Don't do that without actually priming the pages. There is one painting I did in here where I didn't prime it with a thick enough layer, and you can see what happened. Like, all the oil just kind of seeped through from the paint onto the other page. It's this one. So there's like oil marks all over the back of that page, and that's what will happen if you don't properly prime it. So I did do a lot of painting in here, even though it is a sketchbook that's made for drawing, and I didn't really feel like buying a special sketchbook for painting because I still want to draw in this. This sketchbook was actually started in 2007.
I actually meant to say 2017, but my brain doesn't work.
And that just goes to show how terrible I am at working in my sketchbook. Like, it took me this long to fill it up. And another disappointing fact for you is that it's not actually done. There's a few empty pages in the back. I have not like 100% filled it. However, before you come at me with pitchforks and torches, I had goals to finish this sketchbook by the end of this year so that I could post this exact tour. I actually had a lot of goals for this specific month for my channel that I sadly did not meet, because that's how life goes sometimes. And yeah, I was just really disappointed in myself and like mercilessly beating myself up in my mind for like failing. And I tend to do that a lot, and I just kind of gravely overestimated my capabilities and just how busy this month would get. And so I did a little poll on Instagram, and I asked you guys if you still want me to post it even though I didn't fully finish the sketchbook, and the overwhelming majority of you said yes. So here we are. So yeah, with the last pages, I gotta be honest, I don't know if I'm even gonna finish them, if I'm even going to draw in them. I might actually use them for some brainstorming and writing down my thoughts, for some journaling. I don't know. I'm not sure. What I am sure of is that I am bad at filling sketchbooks, and it takes me forever to do it. So if there's any of you out there who are also bad at filling sketchbooks, we're in the same club. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of sentimental art in here. I've made sketches from my travels. These two I made at a museum with my friend, which you guys know her, Happy D, on YouTube here and on Instagram. We went to a local museum together and we did these drawings. She has her own in her sketchbook that she did. There's some of my plants, some of my lizard friend. Oh man. Basically, if you actually want to see most of these, like the process for them, I have Sketchbook Sunday videos where you can do that. Not all, but most are in Sketchbook Sunday. And that's another thing, is I don't know if I'm gonna continue Sketchbook Sunday. I feel like after like over 50 episodes and videos of that series, I found it becoming a little redundant, and I just ramble because I run out of things to talk about, and I really don't want to do that. So I have so many paintings and tutorials that are in the works that I wanted to finish this month, but unfortunately didn't. So be sure to subscribe if you want to see those, because they are going to be out. It's just that oil painting takes forever, sadly. This has been a really crazy year. It has been so much fun. I've had ups and downs on this channel, and moments of having to go away and disappear and take time to recuperate and regain my strength. Next year in April 2020, I think it's April, I have to double check, but I'm pretty sure it's April 2020, is gonna be my 10-year YouTube anniversary, which is crazy. Like, I've been on YouTube for 10 years, and I think I'm gonna make a special video for that, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being subscribed to my channel, for all of your support, whether it's clicking like on one of my videos or commenting or just simply watching. Thank you to my amazing patrons for supporting my art and being so patient with me. I feel really lucky to have the platform that I do, and I feel so grateful to have the chance to share my art with you, and I'm thankful for you being here. So thank you so much. I'm really excited for this new year and all the new art that will come from it, and who knows what. I mean, this art journey is an unpredictable ride. So thank you for being here. I'm wishing you all a beautiful and happy new year, and I will see you next year. Haha, dad jokes. Wow. Okay. Bye guys.